Hey guys, welcome back to another cryptocurrency news article. Today's article comes out of the Bitcoinist, and Grayscale Investments sues the SEC over Bitcoin ETF denial. Now, this was always expected for both cases of the SEC denying the ETF because, granted, they let an ETF happen in the United States. We have ETFs everywhere else, but why not the US? And it's all because the SEC keeps saying no. And also, it was guaranteed to happen was this lawsuit because Grayscale said earlier that they would go take legal action if you guys denied this one. So here we go. In response to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's denial of a request to convert its Bitcoin trust into an exchange-traded fund, Grayscale Investments, the largest manager of digital currency assets globally, has filed a lawsuit against the SEC. Michael Sonnenschein, CEO at Grayscale Investments, tweeted on June 29th, Grayscale Investments initiates lawsuit against the SEC. Now, concerning cryptocurrency asset manager and investments, Grayscale Investment is a reputable source. The company offers market analysis and investment exposure to the emerging asset class for digital currencies. However, in October of 2021, Grayscale submitted a request to the SEC to declare its Grayscale Bitcoin Trust to be spot-based Bitcoin ETF. The Securities and Exchange Commission has continuously refused to allow a spot Bitcoin ETF to be created. This would have allowed regular investors to buy into digital assets in a way that is similar to stocks. This would have been a significant step towards the mainstream adoption of digital assets, but the SEC voted against it. Unfortunately, the SEC rejected Grayscale's request to convert a Bitcoin trust earlier on June 29th. The regulator turned down the spot Bitcoin ETF proposals because of worries of market manipulation. As a result, the 8-month conversion drive by Grayscale has been rejected, which results in legal action. Grayscale promptly petitioned the U.S. Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit on June 29th to examine the SEC's denial and challenge the ruling. Now, Grayscale is suing SEC. Michael highlighted his concerns and discouragement regarding the SEC. He said, "We are deeply disappointed by and vehemently disagree with the SEC's decision to continue to deny spot Bitcoin ETFs from coming to the U.S. market." He believes American investors will strongly express their desire to convert GBTC to a spot Bitcoin ETF during the ETF application review process. It would allow billions of dollars in investor funds to flow while bringing the biggest Bitcoin fund in the world closer to the regulator boundaries of the United States. Moreover, in order to support their investors and their fair regulatory treatment of Bitcoin investment vehicles, he claimed that the company would continue to use all of its resources. Donald B. Varelli, junior senior legal strategist at Grayscale, believes that the SEC is violating the Administrative Procedure Act and Security Exchange Act of 1934 by operating arbitrarily and capriciously. This includes neglecting to treat identical investment vehicles consistently. He claims that there is compelling common sense argument here, and we look forward to resolving this matter productively and expeditiously. Besides this, the Wall Street trading firm Jane Street, Virtue Finance, and Grayscale signed an agreement on Monday to reduce the discount on their Bitcoin trust in wake of a probable ETF conversion. David Lavelle, the global head of ETFs for the company, said that even though the SEC has not yet approved their application, it is a sign that they are ready for when it does. So they're ready. So are we going to get this? I don't know. Do we really need a Bitcoin ETF? No, we don't need it for Bitcoin to survive, as long as you just hold the real thing. But again, they said this is a way to onboard more of the common people who want a stock like Bitcoin. So it kind of makes it like a stock, but if you just hold the actual Bitcoin, completely not a stock. Two different things completely. So, yeah. But yeah, so cool article right here. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.